In this video, we are going to discuss about alternative or branching statement. In our day-to-day life, we need to take various decisions and choose an alternate path to achieve our goal. Maybe we would have taken an alternative route to reach our destination when we find the usual road by which we travel is blocked. This type of decision making is what we are to learn through alternative or branching statement. Python provides the following types of alternative or branching statements. They are simple if statement, if else statement, if elif statement. Simple if statement. Simple if statement is the simplest of all the decision making statement. So if is the simplest of all the decision making statement. Condition should be in the form of relational or logical expression, which means the variable connected with the relational or logical expression. Example, A is lesser than B or A is equal to B is the relational expression which we'll be using along with this if in condition. If I give A is not equal to 5, that is the logical expression. So both the relational or logical expression will result either as true or false. Simple if statement is used to execute one statement or a group of statements for a particular condition. So the syntax for if statement is if condition, it should be terminated with colon. So if should be end with a colon. Then comes the statement. If this condition is true, the statement will get executed. See the simple program. A is equal to 33, B is equal to 200. If B is greater than A, that is 200 is greater than A value is 33. If 200 is greater than 33, the condition is true. If the condition is true, it will be printing the result as B is greater than A. See this again example. If A is equal to 500, B is equal to 200. If B is greater than A, print B is greater than A. So it will be checking the condition. Here the expression used is B is greater than A. B value is 200 is greater than 500 is 200 is greater than 500. The condition is false. If the condition is false, no output will be printed. Thank you.